Today is 3rd April 2022. This is the video for week starting 4th April 2022. Let's take a look at the Nifty first. I have this Nifty chart in front of me, and you can see that Nifty has closed at 17670. The target, final target is 18230, but it has to cross this line because as I have said earlier also, this seems like a head and shoulder to me, and this seems like a pullback or retracement of the head and shoulder. So let's hope that this gets negated. If it gets negated, if it crosses this line, whenever it crosses, wherever it crosses, then the next target is 18 to 30. Right. So that's about the Nifty. Let's look at the Sensex. Sensex, same case. Only thing is the level for Sensex is this line, and the final target for Sensex is 61,131. Right. Let's take Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank doesn't seem to have any problems like this. Nifty Bank is virtually, as I said earlier, also it's on a roll. We can expect the final target for Nifty Bank to be 38,766, and from there let's see where it goes. Right, so let's start with the stocks. First one I'm taking up is Britannia. There is no trade as of now because nothing has happened. We have to wait for Britannia to cross this 33 39.95 for a buy signal to come. Asian Paints. Asian Paints, already the buy signal has come. It is there for last 10 days. The buy signal has come, and first target is 3299. Second target is 3363. Final target is 3542. That's about Asian Paints. Cipla. Cipla had gone up tremendously. Now it has come down. This seems like the same game that was played in ICICI Bank 2 3 months back. I don't find Cipla to be very promising. Pharma companies otherwise are also not doing so good now, so it's better to avoid Cipla. Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors. The breakout will come at this level 2504, 20 rupees from here, and if it breaks out, then then 2872 is the final target. Okay, so let's take Grasim. Grasim has already broken out to 1 2 3 days back, so now the targets for Grasim are 1824, 1854, and 1908. Hero Motocorp had one bad day, and because of that bad day, things have not improved at all. Uh, the buying signal probably is not even decided when the buying signal will come, so it's better to avoid Hero Motocorp. Hindalco had last week I had spoken about Hindalco. I had said that it is in blue sky zone, and but because of the de-escalation in the war, you will find that it has broken down 2 days back, and now you can go short if you want. The targets are 540. 540, I think, is a good target. From there, probably things may change. So 540 seems to be the target for Hindalco. Hindustan Lever is poised for a breakout at 2111, and once that breaks out, then you'll find a big bull run up to 2500. ITC has already broken out. My target for ITC was earlier also I had given this target of 262. It has not gone all the way up to 262, but it went very near to it went to 258, and then from there it has come back. But if Hindustan Lever is also going to break out, I think ITC, and people are talking of the value unlocking after ITC and things like that. So it's a good medium term bet. L&T has not broken out of no breakout has happened in L&T. Breakout should happen at 1810. We are 20 rupees away from breakout. Earlier it had come on 21st March. It was very near the breakout, but again it did not happen. So we are still waiting for this breakout to happen. Let's hope that this breakout happens in this week, and once the breakout happens, then it becomes a buy. This is a buy signal where it will give you'll get a buy signal once the stock crosses 1810, and then the final target is 2053. Mahindra and Mahindra has already given a good breakout. The target seems to be around 900 rupees. Reliance has already given a breakout. I had already spoken about this Reliance breakout. I had spoken about 2600 as the target. It has reached the target and hovering around the same uh, levels. In fact, it has gone up 50 rupees from there. If it continues, then the next target seems to be 2748. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope that this really happens. Sri Cement is poised for a breakout here. Yesterday it has given the last, not yesterday, 1st April it has closed very near to this breakout level. The breakout level is 224,675, and once it crosses that, the ultimate target is 27,605. Okay, Sri Cements is over. Now let's take a look at Tata Consumers. Sorry, Nestle is up. Nestle, there is no trade. So let's close this off. Glitch somewhere. Okay, Tata Motors. Tata Motors has not yet given a buy signal. People are talking great things about it, but it has not given any buy signal. The buy signal will come after it crosses 453. Tata Steel. Tata Steel seems to be already run its levels. I am not very confident of Tata Steel doing anything from here. Wipro is in the buy zone. Wipro final target is 708, but it will take some time to reach that target. Apollo Hospitals is on the brink of giving a breakdown, and once the breakdown happens, the first target is 4350, and if that also does not hold, then the next target would be 4095. Things in the healthcare sector are not doing so well, so uh, let's keep our fingers crossed. Dr. Reddy's, uh, same case again. Health sector, things are not looking good. It's still in the buy zone. You can see a very nice flag pattern happening here. This is the staff and the flag. Uh, but if only when this is broken, that is 4,376 is broken, then you will find the stock going up by 170 rupees once more. So probably it will go somewhere to 4531 or maybe 4635, notwithstanding uh, the sad thing that is happening in the health sector. Titan is again on the verge of breakdown. I think the war is coming to an end. If Titan is going to break down, then obviously 2293 seems to be the target for Titan. So you can go short on it if you are keen on making money on that side. SBI SBI has given a very good breakout. I had spoken about this breakout earlier also, and the target for this breakout is 527. So you can ride the run. BPCL BPCL has given a breakout just on 1st of April. So this is a fantastic breakout that has come. First target is 386, second target is 391, final target is 400 rupees. So from 374, you can expect 25 rupees from here in BPCL. Kotak Bank, no trade. UPL, I had expected that it will go all the way up to 836, but it reversed to at 813 only. And now that it has reversed, I don't think things will be good. Uh, Probably it will come back to its earlier levels. Infosys, the target of 1950 is still valid. So another 50 rupees for Infosys without a problem. Bajaj Finance, this again last week I had already talked about this. The target is 7,800. So we still have 400 rupees more to go. Sun Pharma, I think it has again, it is still in the what they call it as the blue sky zone. So let's hope that this run continues. Uh, let's keep our fingers crossed. JSW Steel, all steel companies, all metal companies now have competition from Chinese companies, and you can expect steel prices to fall down, and therefore steel company prices also to come down. So it's not a buy at all. HDFC Bank, one good news, gave it a nice breakout, and but that good news does not seem to have been digested yet. But still, I continue to think that 1569 is the target for HDFC Bank. TCS. TCS has given a breakout 1 week back, and from there, it has been on a good run. Um, You can expect a target of 4,050 in the near future, maybe in the next, probably in this month or something like that. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has given a breakout. It is just 1 day old. The breakout is only 1 day old, and fantastic. Now I think the next target for ICICI Bank is 781, and final target is 822. Think if ICICI has given a breakout, then probably Nifty is also on a very strong wicket. Power Grid is doing fantastically well. It's doing very well. It is in blue sky zone. If you are owning it, please continue to hold it. You will make good money out of this. Maruti gave a breakout on the day, it talked about EVs, and then from there something went wrong and it came down. But still, it is in the buy zone. The stop loss is very low at 6,955. If you're holding it, stop loss is 6,955 and target is 8,888. IndusInd Bank has given all banks seem to have given good breakouts. IndusInd Bank gave a breakout, but it has hit the target also on the same day. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I think uh, this is not going to give a good return. IndusInd Bank may still uh, be sideways. Axis Bank has given a very good breakout 3 days back, and from there the target is 816. So now from 774 to 816, that's a very good return for Axis Bank. HCL Tech. HCL Tech gave a good breakout. I had expected it to go to 1368, but something has gone wrong and it has been continuously going down. But the stop loss seems to be 1110, so it is still far away from the stop loss. It's a hold. ONGC has bounced back from its support levels, and but there is no buy signal as such. So let's keep our fingers crossed for ONGC. NTPC has given a big breakout. The target would have been 140.65, but it has gone way above this target. It has gone to 142.95. Next target is 143, 144, and ultimate target seems to be 150. Coal India is Coal India is in a no trade zone because it has already reached the target of 196 and come back. So it's in a no trade zone. Bharti Airtel was a buy some time back. I had given a target of 731. It has crossed that and gone to the ultimate target of 769. That also it has touched and come back. So let's wait and see. Just it's a wait and watch level. Tech Mahindra is again it had given a good breakout long back. It had given a breakout on 9th March itself with a target of 1813, but since then, due to international markets, due to the Dow Jones, and due to the tech companies in US not doing so well, it has been falling. But the stop loss is 1419. Until then, it's a hold. Divi's Lab was a buy, but the breakout was without a target, so it's in a no trade zone. Adani Ports, the breakout had come last week, and from there the target was 720.77. That also has been reached and it has gone up. I think it has run. it is running out of its steam. I do not like to comment on it. HDFC Life, it is very near to the breakout level of 558, and once it crosses 558, it will run like a rocket. That will be a very, very good opportunity to buy HDFC Life. SBI Life, another life insurance company, same case. The breakout level is 1136. Only once it crosses 1136, it will zoom up by nearly 1000 rupees. Ultratech has given a buy signal 1, 2, 3, 4 days back, and the target for Ultratech, first target 7096, second target 7248, next target 7646, ultimate target 7840. You can keep trailing the stop losses. Bajaj Auto has given a good breakout. It has already, I had spoken about this already. It has reached the target of say 3660. It is beyond the target, and let's now keep our fingers crossed until something new happens to Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Finserv had given a breakout. 1 minute. Bajaj Finserv had given a breakout uh, earlier, and then from there the first target has been reached 17074. That was the first target. The ultimate target is 18391. So you have nearly 1000 rupees more to go. That's what is about Bajaj Finserv.